Look up at the night sky for just a moment, because every shining point you see is already telling a violent, unforgettable story. Those distant stars are not peaceful decorations. They are unstable cosmic engines slowly moving toward dramatic creation or catastrophic destruction. Here is the truth most people never hear. Without dying stars, your body, your planet, and your life could not exist. The iron in your blood and the calcium in your bones were forged inside stars that destroyed themselves long before Earth formed. Stars are born hidden in darkness, survive through delicate balance, and die in ways powerful enough to reshape entire galaxies. Some end their lives exploding so brightly they briefly outshine billions of suns combined across the universe. Others collapse so completely that they vanish, leaving behind black holes where space and time break down. This is not science fiction or speculation. It is confirmed astrophysics supported by decades of observation and evidence. Tonight we uncover how stars are born, how they live, and why their deaths control the fate of everything. Once you understand this, the night sky will never feel calm, distant, or meaningless again. Every star begins its life inside regions of space so cold and dark that they appear completely empty to the human eye. These massive regions, known as molecular clouds, drift silently through galaxies, holding enormous amounts of hydrogen gas under extreme cold conditions. For millions of years, nothing seems to happen, yet gravity is slowly pulling scattered particles closer together without mercy. As the cloud contracts, motion increases, collisions intensify, and a dense core begins forming deep within the collapsing gas. This core becomes a protostar, an object not yet producing light, but already locked into an irreversible cosmic journey. Surrounding material flattens into a rotating disk, quietly setting the stage for possible planet formation in the distant future. At this point, the process feels lifeless, slow, and almost boring compared to the violent stars are known for. But hidden beneath this calm is pressure building toward a critical threshold that cannot be reversed once crossed. Temperature rises, gravity tightens, and the core inches closer to a moment that will change everything forever. That moment, when nuclear fusion ignites, marks the exact instant a star is truly born. Astronomers confirm stellar birth using powerful telescopes that detect invisible light, revealing glowing protostars buried deep inside dense cosmic dust clouds. Infrared observatories allow scientists to see through darkness, exposing heat signatures that prove stars form long before visible light emerges. Radio telescopes detect cold hydrogen molecules collapsing, showing gravity at work even before stars officially ignite nuclear fusion. Spectroscopy breaks starlight into chemical fingerprints, confirming fusion begins only when temperature and pressure reach extreme measurable thresholds. In stellar nurseries like the Orion Nebula, astronomers observe stars at multiple life stages existing together. Within a single region, some are still forming, others shine steadily, while a few already show signs of aging and instability. Star clusters reveal consistent age patterns, proving stars usually form in groups, shaped by shared gravitational environments. Beyond birth, evidence of stellar death appears as supernova, remnants, neutron stars, and black holes scattered across galaxies. Chemical analysis of space shows heavy elements created inside stars later spread outward by explosive stellar deaths. Together, this evidence transforms star life cycles from theory into a verified cosmic process observed across the universe. Once a star ignites, scientists investigate its future by measuring a single deciding factor that outweighs all others, which is stellar mass. Low-mass stars enter long, stable lives, carefully balancing gravity and nuclear fusion for billions of years without dramatic internal disruption. As fuel slowly depletes, these stars expand into red giants, releasing outer layers gently into surrounding space over extended periods. The remaining core compresses into a white dwarf, a dense stellar remnant that cools silently across unimaginable spans of cosmic time. Massive stars follow a far more dangerous path, burning fuel rapidly and fusing heavier elements deep within their unstable cores. Eventually, fusion produces iron, an element that halts energy generation and removes the pressure supporting the star against gravity. At that instant, gravity overwhelms the core, causing a sudden collapse faster than the blink of a human eye. Outer layers rebound violently, triggering a supernova explosion. powerful enough to briefly outshine entire galaxies. Scientists recreate these events using advanced simulations testing physics under conditions impossible to reproduce on Earth. Despite this progress, investigations still reveal surprises that challenge predictions and push stellar science into deeper mystery. Despite decades of research, scientists admit our understanding of stars is incomplete because the universe consistently behaves more chaotically than equations predict. Inside stellar nurseries, violent turbulence can rip collapsing clouds apart, suggesting many stars fail to form despite perfect theoretical conditions. Magnetic fields further complicate, collapse twisting gas into unstable structures that simulations still struggle to model accurately. Radiation from nearby massive stars can either trigger new stellar births or completely sterilize regions before ignition begins. Even stellar death defies expectations, as some massive stars vanish, quietly collapsing into black holes without producing visible supernova explosions. This silent collapse challenges long-held beliefs about how often the universe announces its most extreme events. Binary star systems add further uncertainty, transferring mass unpredictably and rewriting destinies scientists once believed were fixed. Dense cosmic dust hides countless stars from view, meaning entire populations may exist beyond current observational limits. Each new telescope answers old questions, while creating unsettling new ones that expose gaps in cosmic understanding. These counterpoints force us to confront a deeper truth. The universe does not owe us simple explanations. The deeper truth is that stars are not isolated objects, but interconnected engines driving the chemical and structural evolution of the entire universe. Every stellar birth depends on the death of earlier stars, meaning creation and destruction are inseparable, parts of one continuous cosmic cycle. When massive stars explode, they forge heavy elements like gold, oxygen, and iron under conditions nothing else can achieve. These elements are blasted across space, enriching gas clouds that will later collapse into new stars, planets, and eventually living worlds. Even gentle stellar deaths contribute, releasing processed material through planetary nebulae that seed galaxies with complex chemistry. This reveals that destruction is not failure, but the universe's method for increasing complexity over time. The cosmos evolves because stars keep transforming matter generation after generation. Without memory or intention, our sun is one link in this chain, formed from ancient stellar remains and destined to return its material someday. Life itself is an outcome of repeated stellar deaths, not a lucky accident disconnected from cosmic violence. In this sense, you are not observing the universe from outside. You are the universe continuing its own story. Understanding how stars are born and die transforms the way we see ourselves and the universe, connecting life to cosmic processes directly. Every atom in your body heavier than hydrogen was forged inside long-dead stars that exploded billions of years ago. The night sky is not distant scenery. It is a living history of creation and destruction written in light. This knowledge reframes fear of cosmic events, showing that explosive deaths are essential for producing the elements needed for life. New telescopes now allow us to witness star formation in real time, hinting at how common these processes truly are. Stars are constantly being born and dying somewhere in the universe, continuing a cycle that eventually creates planets and possibly life. Recognizing this truth encourages humility, curiosity, and a deeper appreciation for our fragile, stardust-based existence. So next time you look up at the stars, remember you are part of a story that began long before humans existed. If this changed how you view your place in the cosmos, share your thoughts, questions, or favorite moments in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious, because missing the next story means missing part of your own cosmic origin.